At some points in our lives, more than likely, we're gonna need some type of credit repair. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you my process and how I help my clients increase their credit score, and also at the end, give you guys a free bonus gift. Let's go. What's up everybody, this is your boy Jacques. I'm a licensed realtor and mortgage loan originator in the state of Florida. Now on this channel, my goal is to help you gain wealth through real estate and also help tackle those answers that you might have. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to basically break down the process that I use to help my clients increase their credit score month after month. So basically, just jumping into the video, the first thing that I'll do and advise you to do is just go ahead and pull up your credit score. If you're not aware already, you're able to pull up your free credit report from the 3 credit bureaus, which is Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Basically, just go to their website, click on the free report, and download it. That way you have access to all your information. And me personally, to be honest, I would recommend for you to do this every single year to make sure nothing pops up on there fraudulently. So go on the website and you're able to pull it up every single year for free. Now that you have your credit report, make sure you go through it with a fine-tooth comb. So make sure you take a good look at it and make sure there's no inaccuracies at all. Now I do notice that a lot of people do know what's on their credit report, they just hope it goes away. So don't be one of those people that just hope that after 7 years that the item just falls off the credit report. Yeah, that's fine and dandy, but don't forget, you're spending a lot of money throughout the years, paying all that money in interest, and they're accumulating all that extra fees and debt onto that as well. So make sure you try to tackle it as soon as possible. It's better to take care of it now than later, so that way you save more money, and that way you can use that extra money that you have for other things, such as a trip, an investment property, anything but paying those companies down. Make sure you take care of it right away as soon as possible. So again, make sure you pull up your credit score and just take care of it. Now what I would do now that I have the credit report in hand is just to go ahead and highlight every single thing that's on there that's negative. Any collections account, medical bills, anything that you have to pay for to make sure your credit score is back to top notch where it should be. So just start highlighting things and highlighting things of importance and make sure you know what you have to tackle to make sure you get your credit score up again. Now while creating a plan, make sure you're not setting everything up as fraud. If you go ahead and just select everything as fraudulent, what's going to happen is it's going to make things tougher for you, as the bureaus is not going to mark your full account profile as fraudulent. It's going to be very hard to fight these items off your account, or even do some type of debt settlement. So again, unless you're actually in a fraud situation, don't just go in saying everything is fraud, because that's gonna actually end up worse for you in the long run. Now there are tricks that you can use to go ahead and fight these things off your credit report. Now with these tricks, I wanna make sure that it's very clear. You're not saying that these debts are not yours, but we're trying to get these items removed off your credit report. So one tactic that I used to use for one of the things, such as medical records, is based off the HIPAA laws. Now based off HIPAA laws, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1966 is a federal law that required the creation of national standards to protect sensitive patient health information from being disclosed without the patient's consent or knowledge. So basically what I used to do is contact the debt sellers and say, hey, I would love to pay this debt, but for some reason, I don't remember why I went to the hospital. Can you please advise me why I went to the hospital at this time? Basically, if the debt collector was able to get that information, the hospital and the debt collector might be in for some trouble. So again, I'm not a legal lawyer on these credit situations. Just give me some tips on how I would have handled the situation, and that was one way I was able to get the medical records off your account. So the HIPAA laws are very crucial when it comes to medical records. And for other things, I'm giving you guys a lot of sauce today. It's the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which basically regulates the accuracy of consumer information and gives consumers the right to dispute any information that they find inaccurate or incomplete. So basically in this situation, I can't just tell you guys how I would have done it. It's on your credit report. Your items on the 3 bureaus must be 100% fair and accurate, which means everything has to be the same. Basically, go through it with a fine-tooth comb, like I said at the beginning, and make sure you don't find any small error. If the balance is different on one credit report and it's another number on the other 2, that's an easy way for you to get the item removed. Again, you still owe the debt, you're just making sure you're getting the item removed based off the laws. Now there are other tricks as well. These are the ones that I commonly use to help my clients increase their credit score month after month. So again, don't go in thinking that you're gonna settle everything as fraud unless you're in a fraud situation. Make sure that you use the HIPAA or the Fair Credit Reporting Act rules to get these items off your credit report. Now this part might be the hardest part for everyone, and since we're living in a microwave generation, which means everyone just wants results as fast as possible, remember guys, it took you a while to bring your credit score down. It's not gonna come up overnight. Again guys, it's not gonna come up overnight, so it's gonna take time. When you do send out these letters, it takes about 30 to 45 days for the creditors to respond back. If they don't respond back, that's actually a good thing, which actually can help your case on getting the item removed. If they do respond back, you might have to wait another 30 to 45 days for a resolution or some type of response from them again. So again, it's just a chess match. You send them a response, you have to wait. So it's not gonna be done in a week or two. So my best suggestion to everything is just to go ahead and start. The quicker you start, faster it'll be when you get to the end and you're finally sitting at the beach on your vacation, your brand new investment home, because you took the time out to get your credit right to get you to the spot that you need to be. So again guys, start now. That's my best advice to you. Just to go ahead and start now and be patient. Again guys, just being realistic, just plan out between 3 to 6 months of your credit score being adjusted and being fixed. Again, it's gonna take some time. So I would say on average, it takes about half a year. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer, but again, the quicker you start, the quicker you'll be at the finishing line. Now, if you guys didn't know, I had my own credit repair company in the past, and I helped hundreds of clients increase their credit score. I removed thousands of inaccuracies on their credit report, and I had a real great rating. So, as a gift to you guys, just for subscribing to my channel, and also watching this video, I'm gonna give you guys a free ebook. The ebook's gonna be right here in the description box. Make sure you download it and use it as a guide to help you guys remove things off your credit report. Again, the book is absolutely free. I want to make sure I help you get your credit score up as high as possible, and also make sure you guys are able to get your next investment property, go on a vacation, whatever you guys want to do with your money. I want to make sure you're not throwing away money to someone else and using it for yourself. So make sure you guys download that book. Now I hope you guys got some valuable information from this video, and I hope you guys download that ebook and share this video so your family and friends can download the ebook as well. Hope you guys like the new setup that I created for you guys. And as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button and make sure that notification bell is on all so you're not missing out on any one of my videos. And as always, you guys have a great day, great week. Make sure you check out these 2 videos if you haven't done so already. And have a wonderful week, guys.